I just moved my tent over there now. Because I had a hard time sleeping right there because I had a fight with my sleeping bag because I keep on sliding. And I moved that tent over there with that. And I got my wood in there in case it rains. And I got my coffee over there. Last time I've been here last year, it rained. And I got disappointment because it rained. Now let's call it good fire. And I set that right tin up all by myself, and they're getting better every time I do it. Oh, crow. Well, signing off.